To draw a break or rectangular duct, use the break command in the rectangular duct toolbar. Select the duct and specify the level of each duct, or the gap between the two levels. Input 300, confirm, and the second level will come up. The unit of the levels can be changed in Preferences. Now choose the shape of the break. It can be 2 elbows at 30 degrees, 2 elbows at 15 degrees, or a single piece at 30 degrees. A 30 degrees single piece is equivalent to this offset. Select the 2 elbows at 30 degrees. Indicate that the highest level is on the side by clicking here. Then place the break.